Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from eToro to your bank account. Alright, let's begin. As you can see, I have $58 that I want to withdraw. To do this, the process is the same on the mobile app or the website. You need to open the left tab and then click on Withdraw Funds. Here, select the amount that you would like to withdraw. As you can see, there is also a fee, so click Next. Now you get two options. You can either withdraw to eToro Money or use a different method. I'm going to click Use a different method. Then, you just need to enter your bank details. Your first name, your last name, the currency that you want to withdraw in, the country of the bank, your IBAN number, and then click Submit. It will then ask you if all the details are correct, so go ahead and double-check them. If everything is correct, click Confirm. Now it says, "Thanks, we have received your request." To check its status, visit your Cash Flows page. Please note, this won't be an instant transfer. It will take some time. So click Thanks. So that's basically how you can withdraw from eToro to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.